and a person who Caribbean a war and some around 2004 issues be every by year at the a year Sabren now war my gun and one another to
2004 issues so can issue
around 2004 now war Ghana and now woman I didn't know one kind.
Many know me so.
Musa, but say it was a
Kai and Russell. It is say, it's to be boss for now.
Me won't send our war, my Namin Busa a year and some no said a bay who bit me a young.
Said they will see whom in the sun. Every time I say interview, come flight to a mid Sorako.
Of flight to drive, sorry, interview.
So, we said the here.
The here, Busa.
Question of Busa 2004 and 70.
By a person who said 2004, now or my gun. And there be just a question. Now we knew. We knew that our
2004 moons and we see day by day.
Like seriously. Yeah, can't at the phone. Would you too say, no, grand answer? Jimmy. Oh, okay.
That's your answer.
International one more canon, one winning
Jimmy.
As all by so be your
I'm not canceled by a subject. Let
me say,
by some brown. Send by a small girl to sell static questions. Attack me by
you. No one is attacking you. A question. You don't know the difference between attack and question.
Maybe more.
Because
I asked some questions be serious, don't laugh. Being serious,
no, say it's a serious question. So answer. I need a yes or no answer.
I question the whole court. Let the interview flow.
I don't care.
Let's do the chat.
Say,
feel the chat, you know.
I chat and I have
straightforward question. You have to say, well, I mean,
I'm not ready to answer.
Like just like that, you have to say it's like question and answer. But some man want to train flow. Oh, I want to know you. And just say me show you now.
Nothing. I want to say and answer like something about him. He didn't want to dig deep. So I am asking the question.
You invited husband. What I'm expecting, you say something about our marriage first.
Yeah.
But right now you are asked.
Marriage. So from a gradual process. A gradual process. From
time is too much. He can work out. So
share a free a year or early stage. And no matter here, and I'll do summary how you've been able to cope all this with this bad or
yes.
Then am I a chill?
My Rural Banks Awards.
Okay.
And I'm a GG Musica. Me and my award, new business sponsor. We Musica say, but award in the watch there by dinner, red carpet.
Okay.
Oh, but Sassy, I'm a beer boy scene. And Rural Bank run. A personal run. See you. I say on Tias and one can't see one can't.
Okay.
And one is on my police was here. The same month. Today, I say, Ghanaians, other honeymoon, we call be a private party. You have to pay before you. Man, female. It's a call police station to do. And your friend is saying that's your name of a police commissioner the whole Ghana.
Okay.
So you call on true statements, they were like, I'm not who they are some number, I call court medibin, who they are some number. We were even looking for number of a took a ban, not so room, the obey arrest a 1 months. They are more lawyers bear 10. I'm a Chiamaka. You are not with school music or some Chiamaka. The questions now, I say, be Yana now, Yana, how much I'm a boss hoping. Yeah. I'm a journalist, so a man doctorate Anna, I will take. Timina meets it and I'm a Gina camera first. All other media houses, Jamaica, no more time from my mic. Okay, Papa, yesterday, Sombo, Nagana, Nipan, and you senior president, and then they were bad. So what I did was, no fast for Ejna, a mamma messenger, and a mamma fancy. I coffee. Ako di wiase nyina panyi emma fie mpo da aba asa abegina emma fie mpo na abezi majani kaka na o so say uncle ekwa ya jai bibi I'm say na oba ya che so me I just acted smartness and I me sorry I say papa woko ni manye security very tight ti ma mfa bushia for no so
okay
na me nka say mo proposal na ma try that about UN for anthem because me anthem my UN
na wa try that
yes say me na me too say Michael Jackson me too say one me too but say me differ so enim wo mo na me do ho ne man because sa course na person me try ma this one international relations and global studies
okay
ti me yeah no ma me the bad time and bishafo no she talked twice oh wow ka me so me the first time Kofi Betty say eso omrefi enti na no ens ma no ens na Kofi na ka che na ifo no bibis for the say na for no mo jan en chen na e say amon kan che ne ma me say ene de a obeda fi okay so I say me say second time I count no so you can keep it as good enti Kofi Anan a cat and I'm say yeah miss my sure or you mammy and a friend so I just got closer said yo I dare say a demand no na Ghanaians Obama speech the man doctors and speech no man can say the same thing I'm flowing up here and then the man and then a phone of Fred Pino no more Kofi Anan card the man I'm sure Ghana number 1 actually semenje
okay
me friend follow up the kind and your friend Brunia Jama Kanako and Penampa me proposal no corner email address no in each time send me corner now Kofi Anan direct me say from Swiss ambassador to the United Nations
okay
see a corner Brunia no answer me so wow it's a great idea my composition na men fan send it that time na YouTube na my friend you send it me say won say the continue na correct
okay it's
the file you send it they could see ambassador so somebody invite me the next world summit na ma beto and I say me perform because I'm a perform innovative creative and I Kofi Anan BA special office as secretary general a special initiative of the
okay
and they have to look at it and then decomposing Millennium Development Goals na Kofi Anan declare world say we are see government via function the constitution
okay so
you know say metima obi amfa sa matter you see how they respond because some kind of Bronia they will respond that's how so they responded me because of all these things me email account that I'm using if you train Google for train
I didn't see
yeah because my communication is complex I mean level no
okay
but no man nya the me ready we na world summit I be no man nya invitation that
okay
na the me nyina no like if you audition on Zoom say there phone so now say I'm serious and then one person me okay so me koye amo catch say me evidence that say meaning UN Millennium Development Goals tim sponsor ma me koye research or send them is
okay
some case me story na ya to be some question yes I mean feel
into me afa me nyi no am dem say we fa yes we see car we dey no na $3 million $3 million say afa before ba so no ye hwehwe ma say na sika ye die gu mi dey mo ne sika ketua
nti ho na ma we
nti me na me fa me dim ko je ngwase to the point say ye yi me free adwuma mu say makoto nyumo TV so say they will me interview ya GTV let me tell you the whole story asem ni see when we say Ghana commission for because Joyce ye born say and ye pamono
dabi
they dey make 1,000 cedis now which one so ma because say money more than 1,000 cedis
obi ameka
e no currency no mo fere so meka because nye no mo trauma brofo no na ma ko GTV e interview me to gospel no be friend bye bye apart from say we is ambassador what talent you say what talent me to no me say enyo be na wa chro to ni enhwe na me go to nyumu ya na nyumu my e dey go see the sweet say na me to no ma jiti bi so na me dey sa eno anu I didn't answer after me contract say me promote me instead of me promote HIV I dey promoting I am only educating people.
Okay.
So if I'm educating people and I have talent and somebody, a journalist has asked me, says, sing one of your songs, sir, is it a crime? This is the country we live in, and justice doesn't work.
Wouldn't say, you are saying, I him, you were soon you are saying. I don't know how, a warrior, a contour, a obeyman in a wukra, and I will seek a seminal and your pride at the mouth. Another person whom me and Casancasa, Bratamale, we were your policy. Akwala bia o hia bia na wa bisa so ukọ Malam Musa honum omubedi wo aba maso ye no e bia mentimi mbo o yare ne tin wo de family number na ye den na frame Malam Musa insha Allah nyame tuminti ade bia o hia wo ewia so na ye tim no insha Allah wo sabeka udie the number na 055 1729491 family number na frame wo hawo no nyina to be den e be twa
Shunko enkoma wa woshe mesabre e wotuma GHSO Ghana wa hala dwumedie ena ebre asonse mosonfo muniaba ekeskapa mede eba somo se de da ne dae ye no na mede medwa se de na mamuni mi se eye ensem a edi atrentwie ewo wo meye emu achese wo bi etwe ne sere ne abasa eno ena yenso ye de beto eye apono eso na wa wo achichi ne bencheye wetimi akere wadwen ede afa eye ehu wo nsem bi se bi enso so na chese ne comment section ho no wo de no afa ho ede amaye na se de nkomotwetwe no ebekoso no ya kenkan ede ama na no yes na efata bi anso no ye de ama eye mum na odofo eye ensem dodo na ena chese di eye ehim ai efa eye Dr. Yuwen ene yankasa ye mame ya de nyina ye mame eye Joyce Mensa enso eho efa womo aware a womo aware ebi no won se eye for trend eye for hype ebi who say oh we there womo de eba ne se womo hihye adwuma hihye de womo ya de e wo hunti we de nukure bia enhye da enim se nukure ewom se nukure enim enne me ne wo ekasa Dr. Yuwen ewa ha aya mama Joyce nsoso ewa ha no mu a ye ne wo mo baba bedo eye ensem no emu asukonte ne de ensem no de edoso entinya bre jebre jiedwa na chese se de ensem no ebekọ no won soso no watimi akere wadwene nsebusa no wode aba because ena ye nya wo mo ide efri wo mo mofrase ensem aye tetefa wo mo ho wo mo bekirem ai ena ha wo mabanko ade na chese nkiremu dodo na ebekọ eye ezo no tin yensa ebre no wo ma ye kwan na chese yema wo mo akwaba ne fa ye nkomotwetwe no enhihye eye eso mo mi mo akwaba.
That's one not papa. Also one I want.
We got a credit.
That was it.
Yami adumi sumi hoye. Dr. Yuwen. Akwaba.
My choice.
Bibi aboko.
Enko ha we into.
Mate e de radia se ende no kra nkwa ne hia. Enkwa ene ya de enyina. Na ye ensem de ya tete eye ebi. Ya titi nsem dodo na Dr. Yuwen say nsem nyina dodo na hye da ejina so nka we de nka ye ladies first na so say de normal akoye ye nye ne ladies first say de ye kono normal no ye de free ye wo so ensem a ya titi e de afa ho de aba beto aba fontentan eso enne ye nya we ye gidi ye say ye benya eye emu enchiremu nyina me ye sure
a questions na say who say na
me say ye tiase
times they say we don't need I say akodi o tun on na mic na gasa nyame
but and some of your busanos ye de nya ye benya no yi me say ye tiase because e bedroom me na fi ye busa kwase no beka say we de mi nyia no ye be say ye nti se wo be yi ni nyina no ana wo nyia no na ehu de ye be ye ho ansa
ya ba porter ye ojuma enya de go for kana wo ye ojuma
me de na mbusa say de me be busa wo ni nyina no wo be yi ano wo be ja tun so be yi ni nyina no
ada wa kichere me ana Ghana for one na share me say
the Ghana for one share
it is free
Mate ye ka say ye Dr. Yuwen udi ankasa na ye Dr. Yuwen ana say wo edin e wo ho no na Kwame Wusufojo uni abofudin
ano
ebinom si Emmanuel ka ho
de be kan na ye me see what do me go
say nti na me busa say Emmanuel ne nka ho Kwame Wusufojo na na wa use for pala Kwame Wusufojo
fano
eno ana memfa yo yes ye ka se kwan wo su fodwo a one hwan betimi aka eye wonsem kakra de akere ahwefo a wo mo hwe sabre
kwan wo su fodwo ye obi a ofri asante be kwai
okay
ye wo 1976 me na me ya awards amaka se fit ela ma ware Joyce
okay
Tofan na me papa e suffer for
okay
my mom we mati school yes come on
just so suffer ba
yeah
oh okay na yes school wako school edrechi said dey yetete because I was saying my yam fat se me nti ye busa wako school edrechi he na wako say yam fat se mo nya be ya when ya ba kwa dey ye busa
question na wo busa nya why preparation we na ba sana me observe Mako primary school
okay
Mako secondary school and Mako Bible school. Okay. Mako universities miensa.
Okay, universities miensa. Obetimi abobo universities na Mako
Care University.
Okay.
Maybe 2001.
Okay.
Mako Sussex London.
Okay.
Maybe 2005.
Okay.
Mako Harvard Massachusetts Boston. Maybe 2010.
Oh, okay. Okay. Ni nyina no wutimi ekọ ni nyina biye ye anase ebi wo hono ma we mbi
questions you dey say we ni onya aka onya aka say wako
say wako so wo hono ma wako ba wo mwie
o mwie a unko
drop out there want mechanical graduate
wo hono ma wako beti maka say o me ko hanu say ba na mwie
and I want to because you kasa coffee ko you abodi krata ba
uni bi ba wo de wo
ye de kai woni ho.
Oh, okay. Na ensem dodo na ebae edefa wo ho. Ene ye pese ye hu no kore bia den ewo ensem no. Around 2004 issues be ebae ede efa wo ho. Sabre no na wo man Ghana mu na watu kwan.
2004 issues be unya nkare.
So kan issue.
Me pese me hu no around 2004 na wo Ghana na wo ama no.
Nkai.
I didn't know one kai.
Manyini o me sha.
Wo musa ba say ye den ye wo se wu.
Kai enrasem. It is na oka.
Say dia issue no. To be boss na ama na.
Me pese me hu se na wo man mu. Na me mbusa eye ansem no. Se de be ya wo so betimi ye ya.
Me se de o se hu in the chat. Every time I say interview pra me flight to me sorako.
Of flight to drive sorry interview na ko.
Se o musa de hia no.
De hia na ye busa.
Question na busa no. 2004 NBC.
By you see who said 2004 na wo man Ghana mu. Ane there be just a question. Now we knew say na wo Ghana.
2004 mun say we see day by day.
Like seriously.
Okay, I was asking.
2004 when you mun say we see here. Okay. Yeah but it say say ebinom wo ho no mo a yeah that time no na who issue a fake certificate ma encrophobia no kure bi wo msa
until o tv wefa
yete no wo media no so
media ba
ene na mo from me
ba ku di na me chire ntum sese o say wa ko fa ba o say
so ko google
ada court asem
na wo ko dia
would it fake to me the things
obi anka so the fake
that's why obisa me feel yes specific
obi anka say ba wo ko dia issue surrounding you e ko pe
go na say obisa o say wo yo moduma ye wo hwehwe
eno ti na wa ba ha no se nsem no mi musa enti no say
ba ha say obisa be fake thing
mi musa o fake thing they are trendy and it's about you it's about your personality it's about it na ha no then you have to also answer the questions
trendy I me fa no be so trendy me sunsum na wo hwe na wo di ka say me am dey obisa me dey me you are no say
enti say
what trend or trend or you dey make
na so obi aka asema dia phone
I don't care me me kwa no ka go use for you
obi aka asem dia phone asema ni pa ne carry asema ni pa asema ni pa ne carry no wo wasede ye ka bibi say obi try so obe blackmail wa na wo so what white mail wo
I don't care
it's not just ye ka e de phone wo jitum say no kra na say ye jitum say
say we Jimmy
oh okay
that's your answer
International say one more canon, one more nim nyanse
Still Jimmy.
As oba so be ye wo.
And I can't say by a back.
Let me say
by a back, me di bravo. Send by a small girl to say, static questions attack me by
you. No one is attacking you. A question. You don't know the difference between attack and question.
Maybe more.
Because
my questions be serious, don't laugh. Being serious.
That's what I'm saying. It's a serious question. So answer. I need a yes or no answer.
I question the let's the interview flow.
I don't care about
let's do the chat. Say, feel the chat, you know.
I chat and I have
straightforward question. You have to say, well, I mean,
I'm not ready to answer.
Like just like that, you have to say, it's like question and answer. But some want to train flow. Oh, I want to know you. And yes, we show you now.
Nothing we say. And answer like something about him. About him in our he didn't want to dig deep. So I am asking the question.
You invited husband. What I'm expecting, you say something about our marriage first before.
Yeah.
But right now you are asked.
Yeah, but marriage in so from a gradual process. A gradual process. From
yeah, time is too much. He can work out. So
yeah,
share a free a year or early stage. And no my say and I'll do summary how you've been able to cope all this with this bad or the fake news no
media when I'm media ben. What's what you media? I'm media ben. What you my any specific?
On the Google,
we are also go for type of comments. Do you want me to make family friend and comment? Ask your question.
So that's my question I'm asking you.
And as a person, we say we someone like me.
Coming with someone.
Many how can be someone. A dad, a mouth for say. Coming on, make sure about I'm serious.
Aha, and tell me a person in TFM for say. And I'm private. You have accent it from you.
Maintain.
Okay.
And I would just guess and cast the walk around. No Bob won't mean to you can't have me on the show.
Okay.
To connect one and jump as I found them. Bob, my one show TV soon.
But share issues concerning a year awards. Through your awards and do not name as Dr. You. Award now or organization. What was the motive behind a year award? The personalities that we invited women. Now a year but I been in ma what's not say okay, I want to do this for a year people in Ghana and in Africa. Then I motivated because in Kofaya awards we bring.
Award day, mommy.
Okay.
Macomb School.
Okay.
Free award. Almost 20 years, 15 years. So I'm so beside question. Besides, the only penny person. Mama president for award.
Okay.
Mama and penny for sell whom I would boom, Jane, I have a wrong in that award. See, woman, ya should be here. To win yame, even 1 second, one can as a summer. I don't care what will happen to you. Award now mean a service to humanity.
Okay.
Small some. And then industry.
Okay.
And then industry awards said VGMA, Ghana Movie Awards. Okay. But I say a service to humanity and leadership. It can be a leadership within the Mama Dimos for a moment.
Okay.
It's you prefer the Biaka say, we say now allegations are not the questions I answer. Allegations are answered at the court. But we a media person, I want to help you trim your questions. Because I'm one man, yes. Hey, but because me man car, me obi ati me who take.
Okay.
I don't even care about.
But some people say award now, oh yeah. Like also yeah,
I saw brown once it. Let me show now. I saw feeling high. That's your problem.
No, you I asked you about your award. Award now we and I would say a service to humanity.
That's all.
And I'm person me when say service to humanity. That means Nipane modern more said the VGM may share send and movie awards and said is that what you are like you are trying to see? Okay.
And then industry award, someone media free.
Okay.
Journalist for award. And be a service to humanity there. FOB and I did through for achievers.
Okay.
And that maybe bomb was.
Then a man unya pepane say ube to sana.
My juma may my home school about PhD. It's not from Dr. Ewan.
Okay.
Doctor, if you ask you about time, Doctor Sasha knew a damage on our bizarre questions. I say, and could our questions tell me, she was saying, you need a number. There's nowhere, if you've been service, you can't say, no one that. Now, me can't make Juma Wadia, I will give you the chance. What I said, because a hope ain't good. Okay? Be a Wadia wouldn't be the baby, or heaven, including a two form. So I want you to polish your questions and I'll put you through. She said, Rebecca, you will be sorry, Rebecca. I said, why happened? Even the court in the law court for me to be transferred.
Okay.
I said, at the Bible never true. I said, would you really? When you say I did my own fake until we transfer because when I would deal with that question. Okay? At the media fourth estate realm, I'm educated by crime. Fourth estate realm of Ghana Constitution. To examine my opinion, what is it? Parliament, judiciary, now also. When I tell man the whole Ghana UN charter, and I have questions on your research. That's why I don't want you to continue the interview.
And you say, and yet no,
understand it.
No, it's not about say I should
maybe
understand you.
Or platforms.
It's not about say I should understand you. In the first place, no. It's a conversation we are having.
Conversation?
Yeah, I
am godly, mama. If it's a conversation, it's
oh, really?
Yeah.
Issues about their fault.
Issues of FIFA. And
some course or no, and you
and somebody serious.
The air course on one say
you can conduct the best of interview because you have me.
The air course one, and the aquasor, a year one say one shade. 2010 you can say and I don't know what's now.
I have a personal life, a private life. And I may say, forgo it, and I'm a demo.
Our real in your personal life.
Almost about me, Indiana, it be a different, different because you too. But maybe personal life, now a friend clandestine. Secrets, no. Now, one answer will be saying that I was here to know cars and watch number. No, it's a man.
By your arrest open.
I don't know questions. Yeah, is this what you will spoil your program?
There be your arrest open because on 2010, you have to say your arrest open.
2010.
Yeah.
Aha, from our castle. You can see yourselves. You follow the premises from. You follow the premise.
Your question, main question. Said you will be able to question. I will be feeling comfortable to answer. And yet the same way, and I'm assuming.
So I don't feel comfortable, and it's a lie from your lips. So I'm not answering you.
And
yes, say I tell from Mamusa, you can be more than BBC. Right now you have me because I've been there. I've been as Atlanta CNN. You can be more than them in a second because you have God now. You are still challenging. Yeah.
Oh really?
Am I not the one you want solutions from now to the public? And now Diago. Are you ready to learn? Are you ready to learn?
Me too.
So ask your questions sequentially and chronologically so that Dr. Ewan will be comfortable to feed your public, your audience, what they need to know because you're my word. Billions from sponsors. No, no, and not stop it. They will say questions if you go for the recipients. Or you start by saying, if I see a new but my car problem will send that.
Say me beside, man beside.
My can't show.
And so,
but I cost 34.
2004 they see.
Sending that come about more at once.
No, 2004 is a complete year. When you're a day.
Can you be a senior?
Yeah, it's a means school. That means the more just 2003. And they say what is 2003 because she's suing. Every time said Joyce. 2003 now we're in school. Ben and now I remember exactly where I was. So don't generalize the question. We are just from an interview. We are just from an interview.
Interviews are my family.
It's, you know,
you can be on top of all of them, but you are just.
I said like personal life and your man akoso I person and cano. You were expecting say it should be your marital issue.
When I will be say, oh, now put a ball, which I'm buffer.
I was saying the buffer man, and
who can say the whole 2004 they see you. I believe they see it.
Who knew they see you? And I wait, me free.
So let me help you now. 2010. What's your achievement? Yes, your achievement.
Then 90 am I achieve?
Me ma Rural Banks Awards.
Okay.
And I'm a Gigi Omuska. Me am award no business sponsor. Me Gigi Omuska say, but award me what did by dinner red carpet.
Okay.
No, but say I'm a come be a boy see. And Rural Bank run. A personal run. See you. I say on Tiase, no one can't see me, one can't check.
Okay.
And no one say on my Johnson and police was here. That's all. So you can, yeah, in Chichi, Monomuka, we bet me see you for acting like that. Answer Moka.
Is that just a dinner? No, and I will charge you for a year the chairs.
Yeah.
And see, and I want to say a year, I want to say. But I didn't know why explaining and find your woman. And I want one man. I said, police in some days. I want a country statement. There be one say, oh, your program, no. Also, will be your program with me to say their ticket, gate fee, 50 cedis, they say. With no one, sir. But wow, oh, okay. Wow, but your award. May my Kohami Hotel, may I awards are there, maybe a boarding. Okay. To be some question, I am from one. Me here scarcely me, me whom me by a company, yes. Till me head say, oh, wow, my bower. May I demand that time now about 5 years. To one till wow crass, I quite with me about now. What a chill one. Quite woman, papa. So the whole thing is, my papa and the police by said, you know how Ghanaians are, they sound authoritative when they don't even know you. They want to command you like what you are doing. When they feel they are or no when you need to where they are wish. At that time we have about fresh. Okay.
They withdrew her. June, I'm saying September. Now when I'm saying awards, May and I chairman the same month. So then I say Ghanaians, other honeymoon because we are a private party. You have to pay before you. Man, female. It's a call police station to do. And the friend is saying that's the name of the police commissioner the whole Ghana.
Okay.
So you call on the true statement, you know, they were like. I'm not who there some number. I call court my didn't who there some number. We were even looking for number of a took a ban, number so room. They obey arrest a 1 months. Me my lawyers bear 10. I'm a chiamaka. You and I was going to school, some chiamaka. The questions that was I say, be yana now, yana, how much I'm a boss happening. Yeah. My man child come out of I think you phone I have to question you may see me a catabada a hand Babran's and what dig but to me back Marvel. See Sana Koye. Go ahead. Okay, with yeah, that award no, was it the second award? First one. Oh, first award no. Oh, okay. And after that award no, what was the second award and only a course over here? Yeah, awards. Oh, okay. Yeah. But no, not just for the first one was for microfinance. Rural banks. Rural banks. Not just with every year I was be an over category only one more go about scheme. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. But year 2020 I was now Sarkodie EBBJ. I think yeah. Yeah issues by now if you know more say a feeding bottle you say yeah now we use in honor of your papa when you baby called Kofi Annan. Now are you aware of Anna or the man? So why am I home researcher and son of labor? Yes, dear. Because yeah dear in honor of Ghana you are seeing papa the answer. Okay. We are aware. I know no anka baby and good in coming forward.
I just say and I'm on so and I would see a drew a young pempen so.
Yes.
Oh, okay. A quite best now fast would be a home you have a pack of ya.
I'm a journalist, so a man doctorate Anna, I will take. It's me and meet and I'm in Gina Cameron first. All other media houses, Jamaica, no more time from my mic.
Oh, okay.
Papa, yesterday, Sombo, Nagana, Nipan, and you senior president, and then they were bad. So what I did was, no for us for age now, a mamma messenger, and a mamma fancy. I coffee. I could give you a penny. MF put the Abba as I bridge now. MF put our business my Janigata. Now, I also said, Uncle, I'm saying, I'll buy a check. So, Mimi, I just acted smartness. And I made sorry, I said, Papa, open when you're secret very tight. Mom, for
Okay.
Now, I mean, I said, my proposal, and I'm about UN for anthem. I said, anthem, my UN.
Now, I tried that.
Yes, send me number 2, send my just number 2, send one number 2. But send me the first any woman I mean, you, on your money. Because, sir, course, now, person be a trauma this international relations and global studies.
Okay.
Me, no, my made about time, and Bishop Fono. She talked twice. Oh wow! I can't so many fouls. Could feel better say it's so unrefi. And see, Nanoans, my Nanoans like if you're not catcher, naive for now. Babies for the scene and for no Janet, and say, among catcher, ne mamma say, and they are better fee.
Okay.
Okay, so I said, Ma'am, say, second time I count, so you can keep it as good. And see, Kufianan, a cat, and I'm say, yeah, Miss Maya, sure, or you name my man, so I just got closer, said, yo, I dare say, a demand no, Ghanaians, Obama speech, the man doctors, and speech no man, I can say the same thing. I'm flowing up here and then. Then, the mamma, and then was a phone of Fred Pino, no more jail, Kufianan card. The man, I'm sure. Ghana number 1, actually, 7.
Okay.
My friend follow up the kind, and your friend Brunia, your mechanical. I'm pretty empire, my proposal, and a corner. Email address now in each time, send a corner. Now, Kofiana directing me from Swiss ambassador to the United Nations.
Okay.
See, a corner, Brunino, and Sammy. So, wow, it's a great idea. My composition, you know, my friend send it. That time, not yet YouTube, not my friend, you send it. Mr. I won't say the continue and not correct.
Okay, it's you.
It's the fire, you send it, they could see ambassador. So, somebody invited me to the next World Summit. Now, I'm about to. And now, I'm performing because I'm a innovative, creative. And I could feel I'm BA, special office as Secretary General. A special initiative, of the
Odiako, okay.
They have to look at it and then decompose in Millennium Development Goals. Na declare well, say we are government via French and the Constitution.
Oh, okay.
So you know, I said, Metima will be for some matter. You see how they respond? Oh, yeah, because some kind of Brunia, they will respond. That's how they are. So they responded me. Because about these things, my email account that I'm using, if you try Google for try.
I didn't see.
Yeah, because my communication is quite complex. I brought me news level, no.
Okay.
But no man, yeah, they may be. Now, World Summit, I have a one invitation.
Okay.
Now, the main, like, in your audition on Zoom, said there, phone so. Now, I'm serious. I don't know I'm person.
Okay.
Okay. So, because I'm not catching some many evidence that you say, meaning UN Millennium Development Goals. Tim, sponsor my research or send them a history.
Oh, okay.
Some cast a story, and to some question. Yes, I mean, few, and kind of quiet Jessica. And I said, the Maya Bushia, a shame down to their legacy. So, me research no and no one am calling ya the area because almost your man The beer about my mom say 8 goals in and yet more Ghana.
8 goals in the end.
Millennium Development Goals.
Okay.
Gender development, poverty alleviation.
Okay.
But so it's very and I even for sure me say, okay, many way in other there, me call lunch. It's a my reference, correct. But what GBC 18th March 2006. Now we call lunch now Accra Conference Center.
Okay.
GBC for we try. I'm going to cover. It's me lunch here now. One guy about G book now me there. No, him say UN for now have a proposal. Proposal now come we university thesis.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's me here. Then they accepted me. It's one of the world programs, Energy Globe, or Switzerland. And I may catch a bank of my speech here and some I invited our stage in this. Or Cassandra also percent is speeching. Maybe catch a PS on him. No, I'm done. So what happened was I had to whisper, said, if I say Anna in his name, award in his name.
Okay.
So I make Second World Summit 2005. If I say Institute Award in his name. Now my prayer masters.
That was in 2005.
Yes.
Okay.
My prayer masters. My dream be more to develop the hormone. See, what happened was I had to continue my education. I had a scholarship to study at Harvard.
Okay.
Harvard one day we were on a bachelor there.
Okay, not just a
leader school. Yes, leader school. My minister, gender minister, by hobby.
Okay.
Frida Prempe. I'm going to have a school at Harvard. I think I'm a more. Then, may I say, because of Messiah modernity, the course I chose to do was global studies in PhD. And that one connected me to these people. No, I respect Papa, as you said, if I say award in his name, in his honor.
Okay.
That's why today. I know too many for about even Ghana and Africans.
Okay.
We beside so more. No, I say I never pay. I first so any sponsorship. So, Sakwan so because my interest was Mama wearing common man.
I wearing common day, but
and Sakwan so. And announced the awards.
Okay.
My 2014, 2015, our lesser.
Yeah.
2018, moving pick.
Okay.
2019, Legon.
And just meaning I know in honor of a year, Papa.
Yes, we are coming in my celebrity and Casa. Until that teaching from Kwana Koyinasi.
Okay.
But maybe I was that body down. And then I made Jenchina. And I have been pen and I bought down a Jenchia. I said, it's in everybody.
Oh, okay. That was then on our far a year. That was the reason why I would do a year you in the car.
And then some of the UN car. But among four, a be on Monday, be on say, I call you and move painting. And then what to say?
Okay.
I want to find you and Friday and cover them better 1,000 years. I'm telling you, who you and principles like Monty Diagona. Timus are Ghana for my Sundam. Can I toss her? One day you get the one will be a potsa. New Yorker, about down here, Ghanaian. Namakasa for 2nd Street, Plaza Street. Then at 42. Say, last floor, a carpenter phone missing from Camp office. So, me say, I have to take advantage over all that to build my career. What I say?
Yeah.
And a man makes share awards. And today will be award out say, I just who say be a flasker. You and Millennium Development Goals, do Kofi Annan Fist, the better Ban Ki-moon. On one done SDGs.
Okay.
Sustainable Development Goals. The Millennium Nifra. So the Millennium has 15 years. So I never say could be a practice.
Okay.
Then sustainable, young people, young man and and I'm expanded to 17. So all these 17, no matter home course, I know it by heart. And I'm year awards.
Okay.
Goals no. Could also be a star, a dominating chair. You can get a symbol for the person to represent it. Near ultra proposal. Now they are just sponsorship. I was a person as ambassador. And then they were water ambassador, energy ambassador, green life ambassador.
Yeah, sure.
So that's it. So That's how come they be awards. And also na here idea obi ha be pedance because you and your man baha you say lawyers and no man panyin pen say isua but obi ha said to practice it. And now say Ghana for many years obviously and could I be school mu dey they are all part of the UN and see.
Okay.
That's right.
Now, I know that I will symbolize it and I will find the aspect of say, or the bottle, no name, just to give them a reference.
It's universal. Sports universal. Ponkwon, ancient sports, my own sports, and some football no crabber. 20 football, and now my obisa oje. Anybody industry, but only horse. Drama, universal sports.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you know the man, they also have best sportsman and penny for the man. Flash connect SDGs goals. I'm saying 17 as a 15 as a 16.
Okay.
Eti, Oma understand them.
Say if there were more na come expect say ka wo ba be chere ni o memu ni
program me am say MC me no ba me MC. Eti me am say chere.
Oh, okay.
Ba swodin enti I won't tell you na me pesa me ana oye. Aswodin wo mo me am architect of the whole thing. What say I just that's why Ghana I did the awards and now much 2020 a lot. And share me go be any so say award me actually. And nothing actually.
Say na buy.
Say na buy. We journalist say na buy.
Say nothing I say hu wa e go say yem busa na won
tun. Who na say o tu anamon hwem na aka say yes.
Say anamon tu no say wo ko nipa na ade ne fa ne ho no.
And I want say who what you am actually.
Okay.
Because of the questions I was you or so my home friend or not then. But every day in the house me lawyer man na kasakra or what's happen. You know say yem pese e be jeja e be say adajo dey here when say e hu here don't answer it.
Okay.
And so me news how what you be so kind. And see and kind dey and remember curtains but some two boss chimo about that's the history and that's why they were given that award. It is my institution in the Blueprint Mission International.
Okay.
And my register my come upon 9 a Blueprint Mission International. A hundred million because a UN from there.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And what global public excellence analysts and awards. There be a professor, be vice chancellor, be my version Ghana.
Yeah.
Now the Sasha Gunico. When I'm a register or sworn, I'm savvy register.
Okay.
And you also made a media for a part. It's all called Registrar General. That's the best place to know according to fake around your fake. And then China much of an award.
Any award.
No, beyond me, China, they have initiative.
Okay.
Because our constitution of Ghana.
Yo, Dr. Yuan, you better sign about also. Yeah, Mama Joyce.
Yeah.
And some man, call a year and so, you one cassa, old Babontin, now a year ambassador a day, a man a year 8. Yeah. No, yet to say, you who later on you will say, oh, Babontin, because I now only a year 8, no crabbing, but a more ancient woman.
Yeah, sir, before the ambassador say on is ambassador no. And you do market work.
Okay.
And I hear will be a bit to me akasa convince nipa because now the way I pay with that time it was too high. But we share normal adverts and I said people are just okay like adverts you know push your mo. It's just like oh normal adverts. Oh, just a normal HIV advert. Now, yeah, they be a more than advert. Something that people can, feel. Say, okay, opinion HIV. I don't just on penny, but when I say they will be any HIV crowd, wait me up on home by about one. Now the business anymore. In tobacco collabulu now, there is a special investment body. My body is here. And for better, I have a share when you is now to some pictures. But there is a place for when you is open. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Me do ko was here now ko udi we di ko mo ade babies a wonya isa omutiri we tutu 77 ne omo no mu nyina ye kuro omutiri mu nyina na omo ye fun ai bibi na ade a ubesu amo na me obi a me wotima.
Okay.
It's looking at all this is a me watching ya me hu nya ma it's a deep position ma na pesa me ya ade ne ma ne ye more it is your family me signed the contract 2011 no me year juma up to about 2 years you know after na the way na prevalence you know air high you know it drop it drastically.
Okay.
Now I was saying commission for G in your name because I'm not me buy. And then question within 6 months nipa 23,000 Ghanaians and I test positive to HIV. Nipa 23,000 more. Who is almost say but money na from him. They are your friends, your relatives, your church members and everything.
Okay.
And you know na me feel say me hear the aboa. At the end of the day, no. Say na me miss me dinner. A more trust story. What I say, Ufo be ambassador, and also Ufo be na say or representative be a Ghana buy no any sikebi the house of the best house.
Okay.
I feel no more better proposal.
And the
Akko said you will need baby since they have to talk about my issue in parliament. See a man the dine, yes, I rented the amount.
Okay.
The man the cash is so amount of money.
I just said I know what see.
I buy what is to be our and dine when yesterday the Pejadam will be an nothing you go see the amount.
Okay, okay.
They were having these things at their disposal. It's my behavior troll letters about global fund and Jimusika over $24 million. And yes, it is good. You know how much they were paying me?
No.
1,000 cities. My cousin we
have an agreement on.
Yeah,
agreement.
We went on agreement. Okay, after that year, and any me age, you know, any Tascano, 22 years old girl there.
Now
I was okay with the money.
Okay.
Because I was not sad time, you know. Not see I said here, if you are seeing going to be a person rich within a twinkle of an eye. That time we're not thinking about riches.
Sure.
Once 10 years or 15 years ago, no, not Ghana for so let's talk about all this here. No, you are always okay with the little. Yes, exactly, that's the word. 89 million year, okay, so far as I'm to go down the way, Makasame bones, the whole congregation, so near bones in Mansa. If I want them, sir, I'm doing something for my nation. Into me, I feel me, you know. I'm going to say, what if I say, yes, you were 6 car with dinner, $3 million, $3 million. I feel before Barcelona, yeah, you must send us to car, you dear Gumi, the money is coming to her.
It's a 1 hour.
It's me, I mean, family go jail was here to the point to say, you even afraid you may send me at Makoto new motive. So, say that we are interview. GTV, let me tell you the whole story. I said, Miss, you who said Ghana's commission for because Joyce here, Bonnie say, and your Pamon. Then they make 1,000 cities now. Which one was some because say money more than 1,000 cities? Oh, yeah, look, no more for some because I know no trauma, bro. Now, my coach GTV, a interview. Be able to gospel, no be a friend bye bye. Let's see, apart from say we is ambassador, and what talent? You say what talent? Me too, no me say. And you better watch rock. 2 years, she na me got 2 new year. Now you will my be able to see the sweet. Say na me to no. Man just be so elbow. And na me dey sir. And one. I didn't answer. After me contract, say me promoting me instead of saying me promoting HIV. HIV are there promoting. I am only educating people.
Okay.
So if I'm educating people and I have talent and somebody, a journalist has asked me, says, sing one of your songs, sir, is it a crime? This is the country we live in and justice doesn't work. So I lost everything. I have my own house help. I was driving. I lost everything. Just imagine, if introduced me to a dangerous disease like this, nobody would want to work with me.
What regret it?
You know, you don't live your life with a lot of regrets. Okay. Because as we grow, you make mistakes. So because you live all your life regretting now, you'll be sick. I see it as a lesson.
Okay.
I don't live in regret. Now my way in Navy and not Martin me said, Konako. Nobody wants to work with me. My co says, you can't win any. MP before buy documents in Nigeria said, Mama, $3 million. I didn't receive that. So where is the money?
Okay.
And I'm saying, you say, you don't say, I didn't pay bid to her now. Man, when you share, I must say, wait a month, I saw first year before I arrested me. So this is the story.
Okay.
Normally, I have moved on. I was here in Ghana crying for so many years, crying to the media for KSM, Dipsianti, all the big people. Joy FM, Popon Kruma, your family people going to and I'm 60 minutes. All these big wings will help me. Nobody. So I was just a young girl, always in my room crying because I've been cheated. This I sent letters to Blodina Mahama, no reply. I sent to President Mahama, former president, no reply. Ofra, no, the man, the bodyguard. I went through hell just because I wanted to save my country. Nipa say, ni atro information is a good internet to fraudulent aids and pass. And it's Obia with this $24 million. Any Obia 800,000 cedis. Now, one also a friend fraud. Is it me or the AIDS Commission?
Okay.
Answer me.
But
you see, how come internet not got typing me there? The first thing you see is HIV.
Yeah.
Because of HIV, criminal medical assassin. Who type Joyce Mensah? HIV, nebepi. And I'll type HIV. Picture nebepi.
Yeah.
So I'm laughing today because I know that God has lifted me from here and put me in a better place. And this is what I was wishing for.
Okay.
So the Biamaye Juma, who may say me a fraud. I will work because of what I have. I'm appreciated where I am. This is the country we live in. Pull him down.
You better I was order for where dear said ya encomono econ ye betray your whole cacrebi abba not as any ye bar. Yet meaning one more abo a ra a year one more our rear bruhaha a trendy or social media no